liquor is better. Water is good.
Ride with a mile long.
We have made it. Where in the heck are we? I don't even know.
I don't know.
Hot Springs, Arkansas.
But holy crap, my butt is hurting.
Yeah, we kind of did a little bit of a journey there at the end. We kind of went through the woods. Oh my God, like the Hansel and Gretel going through the woods.
Leaving the breadcrumbs.
Leaving the breadcrumbs. There are no breadcrumbs to get back here. Let me assure you.
We are back here.
Back here.
But man, this house.
Yeah.
It is gorgeous.
And we'll leave a link.
Yeah, we'll put the link
in the video for sure for this place.
Is it a VRBO or
Airbnb?
Airbnb?
Airbnb is what it is. So, but yeah,
it's so nice on the inside. Maybe we'll get some shots of that later.
Yeah, we're gonna kind of take you back here to the back just so you can kind of see that first. And what a place, right? Like, check it out. And then you can see here it has a pool. It's kind of the cool things, you know, when you get to travel together, you get to stay at these places that you normally wouldn't rent by yourself, probably because it's way too expensive.
Yeah, it'd be way too big or too much house. I wish it was warmer. This pool looks really nice.
Yeah, that's okay.
Don't you even beat the crap out of me.
Oh, I wish you would.
There's a nice little fire pit
over there. Yeah, we got a nice fire pit over there on this side.
And then hot tub. Bing bong. That's where Shannon's going to be later.
Heck yeah.
I'm getting in the hot tub.
Did you bring your bathing suit?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. All right. Well, this has been fun. It's been a great day.
Nice coffee.
It's been awesome. Yeah, we got a coffee bar back here, coffee deck, if you would say.
Yeah, we're gonna be sitting out here.
We're gonna be sitting out here in the morning, enjoying a little bit of the time while we're here. I think we're actually going to get to see a couple of people while we're here in Hot Springs. So pretty excited to be able to see some people that are subscribers of our channel. What do they need to do?
Like and subscribe and share.
Yeah, share the videos. Oh, and hype it. We do have the ability to hype the video now. So yeah,
I did that the other day on somebody. Oh, and the one that yesterday when they called us out, I hyped it.
Zach's channel.
I don't even know what that means. But I did it.
So. We love some Mozak. He does wonderful stuff on his channel. We'll shut it down. Thank you again for being a part of this with us, and happy trails to all of you. We'll see you on the other side. Well, the Mild Hogz are here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. We are going to take a time, check this out, Paw Paths. Hopefully this is a little bit like when we were in Pagosa Springs. I don't think they got the mud part, but that's all right. We're gonna go check out the pools here. Pretty much all the Mild Hogz are here. We're also going to do lunch, and we're gonna have a YouTuber joining us too as well that has a channel. So super excited to be able to do some lunch and have some time with them. It'd be pretty cool. So, but yeah, man, this is a really cool place. Check out this downtown area. It's amazing down here. I've never been in this area of Arkansas. We always go kind of further to the north side because that's where the pig trails are. But this time we came down to the southern part. It's beautiful down here. If you ever get a chance to come to Hot Springs, Arkansas, you don't have to do the pools, but this is a lively town. There's a lot of stuff going on at the end of the night too as well. So yeah, but we're gonna see Harley in the V-Strong today. So a lot of you might already be subscribed to his channel, or he's subscribed to your channel. Super excited to be able to connect with him today. So All right, time to go get wet in the pool. We'll see ya. Had a wonderful experience. It might have been the Quapaw Bathhouse.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I knew it was Quapaw only because we have a Quapaw in Oklahoma.
Yeah. So that was actually the very first city that we stopped at on Route 66.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. It was fun.
Yeah.
Maybe not quite as fun as the Pagosa Spring one.
Well, yeah, because really,
one was really nice.
Yeah, that one was really
This one was really nice. I'm not saying it's not nice.
Yeah.
But it was just a different experience.
Yeah, and this one you kind of just sit in the pools.
Yeah.
They have different temperature pools, but you kind of just sit in them, but you don't really get to take like drinks and different things to it.
Yeah.
So you kind of just
that one had. That's
there.
Another reason why Pagosa kind of had it beat, because you had like
you
little
could take
snack
drinks
options, and they had a bar where you could get drinks.
Yeah. This one, it was kind of like you just sit there.
You had to drink
for
water,
a little bit and drink
which
water.
is fine.
Which is good.
You should drink water,
right?
You should drink water.
It's healthy for
Good
you.
to
It's
stay
good.
hydrated when you're in a hot pool.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, beer is better, but water is good.
I don't like beer, so
Or
that wouldn't work out.
Liquor is better. Water is good. Oh man, so we're gonna walk on the promenade, I think is what it's called back here behind us. We're gonna take off over here and just kind of take a walk, a gander, and we're gonna have lunch.
Yeah.
Can't wait to eat that.
At the Ohio Club.
Yeah, the Ohio Club.
That's where we're going.
Yeah, so pretty excited. Apparently it is the oldest bar in
this area.
In Hot Springs. So
and Aaron said he's been there and he said it was good. So.
Oh, I didn't know that Aaron had been there.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So if it sucks, it's all on you, Aaron. There you go. All right, we're gonna take off. See ya. Where are we at? What are we doing?
Hot Springs, Arkansas.
Oh, yes.
Some lady said that this can be up to 140 degrees, and I'm telling you what, I can feel the humidity coming off of it.
Yeah, I already put my toe in it and it melted off. No?
Better than your butthole, I guess.
I guess it's better than my butthole. That would be kind of a little bit challenging just to put a butthole in there. I could probably put something else in there, but it'd be hard to find, so.
Oh, God.
All right, this
And we're
conversation probably
heading to
went.
eat.
Yeah, this conversation went south.
In a hurry.
Literally. All right, well, we're gonna go eat. Where are we eating again?
Ohio Club.
Ohio Club, that's right.
We're almost there, I think.
Yeah. Okay. Well, gonna be exciting. Go pop a beer or chips and salsa or something.
I'm hungry.
'Cause we are
This girl is
starving.
hungry.
Yeah. All right. Check out the waterfall. Pretty cool. And then we got Aaron over here wanting to jump in. But what did he say?
Oh, look at her squirting.
What did you say?
Squirting.
Who's squirting, Aaron? That's squirting. Aaron's into the waterworks of things, so.
And cameras.
And cameras.
Apparently, we found out earlier.
He just can't walk behind us right now, so it's really driving him crazy. So, but he does know what to do with his hands, Heather. It's good.
He does.
He does. All right.
Turn around. Oh, you missed it. He was doing.
Go ahead, Aaron. Show us what you do with your hands.
It's squirting over there.
Do you need to squirt a little bit, Aaron? Oh, all right. Mild hogs are out.
Ride with the mild hogs.
Way folks, hold into these drums. Back on. Riding the Road King special today. And if you're interested in the ride, hang on.
Sun coming up on an Oklahoma road. Coffee in a cup and the saddlebags loaded. Somebody's late, somebody's talking too long. But the motors are warm and we're moving on. Chrome in the daylight, boots on the ground. Laughing at the gas pump, passing jokes around. No big plan, just a line on a map. One more mile and we ain't looking back. We ain't chasing trouble, we
got done eating. Got to meet with Harley and the V-Strom. Pretty sick. Good dude, man. Good dude. Make sure you go check out his channel. Has really good content. Does a lot of POV and does commentary while he's doing POV.
Super nice guy.
Super cool dude. And thank you so much for taking the time out of your day.
He drove an hour
to come see
meet
us. Like,
that was so nice.
Unbelievable. Like,
so
how
nice.
cool is that?
So nice. Thank you for that.
Yeah. I mean, thank you to the YouTube world.
Yeah.
Right? Like, makes our world so much smaller, being able to connect. And honestly, that's what life's about.
Love it.
Not about being behind a TV screen or, you know, your camera or your video or whatever. It's about connecting with people. So we love it. We enjoy it. And also, we are now here. You can see the tower behind us. Shannon's going to walk it all. I'm going to take the elevator, and I'll see her at the top.
I'm just praying there's an elevator. I don't have the right shoes
I
on
think
for
there's
this.
an elevator, so we'll go check that
Still
out.
have my spa
We're gonna
shoes
go
on.
up there with Coach and Clint
and Tammy.
And Tammy. So
Everybody, all the other losers went back to the house.
yeah, they're all waiting on us as usual. So we're gonna head out. See ya. All right, we're getting ready to go up the tower. Here we go.
I gotta put your coin. I gotta put your coin in.
Squeeze the gooses.
Thank you, Jesus. There's an elevator. Did you feel on stairs? Oh my God.
Give us a narration.
Did you go in
What do we
it?
got going? What are we doing?
We're going up in the elevator at the scenic tower in Hot Springs.
And Brent jumped on the elevator and you're not supposed to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please
So
don't
for
do it.
anybody that sees that,
He's been asked to go home.
I have been asked
He
to
gets
go.
kicked out. He's never allowed back.
Coach, would you
that
like
one
to
tree
talk
that's
about
up
your
there.
experience in the bathroom?
Well, no more cash used for me.
All right, we are now on top of the tower. Here we go. Check this out. Let's go. And there we go. There you go. Hot Springs, Arkansas. Pretty amazing. Ooh. It moves, by the way, while you're up here. You can feel it vibrating. I wonder if you get to go outside.
Yes.
Oh, really? We're gonna go up stairway case here. We're gonna go to the outside. Screw a bunch of the glass. Who does that? Here we go. Hey, yeah. Oh, man. It is windy. That's cool. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is the wind behind us, and this thing is moving. Hear it? I hope you can hear that. That is unbelievable. It's a pretty cool place, man. So everybody knows, if you get a chance to come to Hot Springs, Arkansas, this is beautiful. Check this out. My goodness. It's awfully bright up here. You know, because I am like 100 feet closer to the sun, so I know that's really stupid.
Just friends and old Harleys rolling across this land. Come back with the mountain dogs, with the black top runs wide.
Let me lead. Let me lead in this.
I'll stay.
I'll stay.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, 2 aces.
Aces are out
Oh
there.
my god.
Richard's cheating motherfucker.
There we go. Yeah, that's our middle name. Yeah.
Cheating Richard.
The cheating motherfucker.
Yeah. CMFRs. CMFRs.
Yeah.
Oh, motherfucker.
Hey, you said thank you. You said thank you for it, buddy.
I'm never trying to play again.
Welcome to my world.
But did you do
Why don't you just set up Tammy, I'll switch.
Hey, you ain't busted your ass, man. Shouldn't have done that. He did. Oh, yeah! Damn!
She got dropped off.